We've seen plenty of sunshine this week in the Midlands, and it looks like that continues in the forecast. In fact, we've had a pretty long stretch of dry weather, currently sitting at 7 days in the Midlands that we haven't seen any measurable rainfall, and it looks like we could be going towards that number 1 or number 2 spot as you get towards the end of the week. Taking a look at the drought monitor, things are pretty quiet right now. We've been very wet so far this year. We're actually the 18th wettest year on record this late into the year. You can see some yellow there. That's abnormally dry conditions. And as we go into Thursday, this map gets updated, and it wouldn't be too surprising to see that expand just a little bit, but not expecting drought conditions, which we haven't seen since January 31st of this year. Taking a look at what's going on in our weather, though, we've been talking nonstop about high pressure. So let's actually go into how this has been impacting our drier weather. The atmosphere, let's say it's a pot of boiling water. It wants to rise. There's plenty of steam. Well, high pressure comes into play just like a lid, and it'll block that steam from rising up and keeps everything inside. So let's actually go into how this impacts our day-to-day weather here in the Midlands. On a hot summer day, our air wants to rise, and that leads to the formation of clouds and eventually rain in the form of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. But when we have high pressure in place, we actually see that upward motion suppressed, and it keeps those rain clouds from forming a little bit later on in the day. And that's why it's been so dry here in the Midlands. There is some good news, though. We do expect some rain in the forecast towards the end of the weekend, so it looks like those showers will eventually return to the forecast. From the studio, I'm News 19 meteorologist Corey Smith.